The Amazon rainforest isn't just massive, it's like a giant weather machine. Picture this: the trees release water vapor through a process called transpiration, acting as natural humidifiers. This vapor rises into the atmosphere, cools down, and forms clouds. Eventually, those clouds unleash rain back onto the forest. In fact, up to half of the rainfall in the Amazon comes from the forest itself. It's a perfect example of a self-sustaining ecosystem where nature fuels itself. The trees not only support countless species, but also play a crucial role in regulating the climate. Isn't it incredible how interconnected everything is?